When someone snores, they are likely dealing with a passive-aggressive disorder. The Mayo Clinic defines passive-aggressive as a pattern of indirectly expressing negative feelings instead of openly addressing them. So there's a disconnect between what a person who exhibits passive-aggressive behavior says and what he or she does. And this usually brings to mind some sort of actions of the extreme passive-aggressive individual who never seems to take responsibility or who lashes out with sarcasm. But more frequently, it shows up in its more subtle form, like not really saying what they feel in the moment, going along with or even seeming to enthusiastically support something that you don't agree with at all.